Hello, everybody. Let's talk about playing your cymbals the correct way. So, we don't want to chop them as if they're a piece of wood and our stick is an axe. We don't want to come straight down on top of them because imagine all of that force and energy from that hit is going straight from our stick into the cymbal. And you do that enough times and you're definitely going to crack the cymbal, right? So, instead of coming straight down on them, we want to come onto them and then go off to the side. So you can think about it, I've heard it described as glancing off of them or just playing through them, right? Instead of playing into them. Let me give you a closer view, get the phone out here, of what I am talking about. So this is what not to do and then what to do, okay? Okay, now with the ride cymbal, I can play at an angle as well. I don't crash on my ride super often. If you do though, I think it'd be fine to crash just straight on because it's a big old 22-inch cymbal. Mine is anyway. Um, you got to pay attention in that case to the relationship of the volume of the ride to the rest of the kit. So if you're playing so hard that you're cracking your ride cymbal, I'm wondering how hard you're playing the rest of your drums. I mean, maybe you're really just bashing everything, and you can back off and still get a really pleasing, energetic sound by playing softer. If that's the way you want to play, there's a way to still do that. Maybe try glancing off of it if you're having troubles breaking your ride. I've just never ever broken a ride and never had trouble with that. So anyway, let me play around the kit a little bit and show you. One thing you'll notice is when I'm playing eighth notes on the crash, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and I'll kind of shift between going right and left, right? Kind of just what is the word? Sweeping back and forth. You'll notice I'm sweeping right, left, okay? So let's go ahead and try this out, play a couple examples, see what we got. So I can get a lot of energy and I can be rocking out without coming straight down on my cymbals. Here's how not to play, and I want to be kind to my cymbals, but I'll play a little bit of what you shouldn't be doing. Yikes, man. That's just way too much straight down on the cymbal. Glance off of them. You'll be a lot happier. Cymbals will last longer. All that good stuff. I've never broken hi-hats. So I would just say, when you're using the hi-hat, just pay attention to where your stick is and make sure you're getting the sound that you mean to get out of the cymbal. If the song is kind of more of a punk rockin' chorus or whatever, and you're sloshing on the hats, that's awesome. But if it doesn't call for that, make sure that you've got dynamics and articulation on the hi-hats, right? So, well, let's go ahead and just exit with a little bit more playing. And thanks so much for checking this out. Appreciate it. Check out tempoleague.com for courses and help with your hand technique and foot technique. And I hope you have a great week.